Achiel wadhi mondo mi winjo chenro no en ma chal nade tang'o madhi nyime.
Tim ye gimiluongo ni hocho kata counseling gi kizungu kata psychotherapy mondo ng'eni ere kaka inyalo konyi. Bitinada kata ka itudri kodwa simo wabiro neno kaka wakonyou. Erouru kamano ahinya.
Erokamano daktari. Erokamano daktari. Kumantie ni wantie gi mental health peer educators mag Tinada gitiyo all the sub counties. Kendo gin gi support groups kendo gitiyo schools mawan gi clubs. Daer mondo gichungi fuaye kende. Mental health peer educators Erokamano. Koro ada luongo all organization working on mental health and jok mosebedogo e committee mar organizing this event kindly come here and just say your name and organization. It is very important to recognize you. Okay. Kindly come. When they are coming, I just want one. I will give him time to say 1, 2, 3. One key issue that we said that I know our officers are here that need to be done is that we need the structures for mental health. We really need to ensure that we develop a mental health policy and also a mental health action plan. And we need to have enough resources, especially finance, to ensure that mental health is delivered. But above all, we need community-based mental health care. This cannot happen if we don't have structures and systems. We must create this structure and system to ensure that mental health is delivered. And I'm very sure that we've been trying, and our officers here are trying to ensure that this is delivered. Thank you so much. And let me introduce the team here. Let me start from this end. Your name and organization. Come.